And the big deal about this is in 2023 was the last year that Precision Weapons Section, or PWS, made sniper rifles. That's the reason why I got a replica there, because then the Marine Corps decided to go with factory manufactured, factory produced weapon systems. And then we had to try to think through what else PWS would do. So you really can't get these. And that is almost a 50-year long tradition that PWS started making rifles for snipers about the time that Carlos Hathcock stood up the Scout Sniper Instructor School.
A lot of the thing now is, since the Scout Sniper program went away last year, when it went away December of 2023.